And that is, as I said before, essentially how in tune the guitar is with itself. So as we know, a low E string should be tuned to E. And if we hit down on or fret the 12th fret, this should also be E. So as you can see, we're just a little bit sharp on that. And just make sure you're attacking that string with the same amount of attack as you're doing when you hit the open string as well. And you can see we're just a little bit sharp there. So as you can see, our bridge is on a slant, and that's to allow slightly extra length for the thicker strings, just because they have additional mass, and they need to be a little bit longer to compensate for that. Now, you can make small adjustments here as well on the individual saddles that you'll see on the bridge here through these intonation adjustment screws. So if our note is a little bit sharp, which it is in this case, what we want to do is lengthen the length of string that's able to vibrate just by adjusting that saddle slightly. Now this is what you do across all strings. I'll just demonstrate this on this string first. So as you can see, I'm just moving that saddle back further, and what that does, it just slightly increases the point of contact between the two strings, or the 2 points of contact between the string. So as you can see, that's further along. I'll just tune that string again. Now fret at the 12th fret. So that transient is throwing its head a little bit there, but I'm noticing when the string settles, we're pretty close. I may just lengthen that just a little bit further. So as you can see, we're pretty close there. I'd probably still would want to increase that, but in this instance, the individual saddle is right to the back of the bridge. So what we may need to do then is look at reducing the amount of relief on the neck just a little bit more again. Okay, now